In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the Yahoo Mail app. Keeping your apps updated is crucial for ensuring you have the latest features and security improvements. Updating is a simple process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, grab your device and open your preferred internet browser. This could be Safari, Chrome, or any other browser that you usually use. Once your browser is open, you'll need to type Google Play Store into the search bar. The Google Play Store is the official app store for Android devices where you can download and update apps. After typing it in, press Enter to start the search. Once you've reached the Google Play Store website, look for the section labeled Android Apps on Google Play. Click on it. This will take you to the main page where you can search for specific apps, including the Yahoo Mail app. Now, find the search icon, which is typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon to open the search bar. Here, you'll type in Yahoo Mail app and press Enter. This will bring up a list of relevant search results, with the Yahoo Mail app usually appearing at the top of the list. Locate the Yahoo Mail app in the search results and click on it to open its page. This page provides you with detailed information about the app, including its version number, user reviews, and more. Most importantly, this is where you'll find out if an update is available. If there is an available update for the Yahoo Mail app, you'll see an update prompt on this page. This prompt will have an update button, which you should click to start the updating process. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi to avoid using up your mobile data, as app updates can sometimes be large in size. Once you click Update, the Google Play Store will take care of the rest. The app will begin downloading the update and will install it automatically. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the update and the speed of your internet connection. Be patient and ensure your device stays powered on and connected to the internet during this time. And that's it! Once the update has finished installing, your Yahoo Mail app will be up to date. You can now enjoy any new features and improvements that have been added. Remember, regularly checking for updates ensures your app runs smoothly and securely. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!